have is I want to have pick art. Where's my pick art right here. And I want to get the picture y'all want. Take a picture, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to hit this picture. I'm just going to use this. So first thing I want to do is do crop out. Go to outline and get all this. Like get what you want to crop out. Get it. Crop it out. I'm going to just get this. And press that. Then it ain't going to do all of it for you, but it's going to give you a little bit. So y'all just want to do it to y'all best ability. Just do this. I like mine perfect, so I be, gotta get everything. You don't gotta get all the hell, but I be trying to get most of it. Like that. Get this over here. Then y'all can press preview. Y'all can get the rest of this stuff. No, erase. Go to erase. Like get this stuff out. Stuff like that. This. Like that, so it could be cleaner. Stuff like that. Get that out of there. This over here. So yeah. Get most of that. That over there. That. That. Like that. So yeah, that's good. I like that. Then I'm gonna press save. Then save this. Then what I do, I go back once I saved it. Go back to the regular picture. Press add image. Then you can add that on top of that, like that. I don't see that. Hold on. Like not perfect. Alright, once I do that, y'all can put. I be using a shadow and a border. That's how y'all get the outline and stuff. Like that. See that? Or y'all can. People be using that one in a shadow. They get the shadow, go to color, and change it white. Change the position like that. So it's like that. See how that is? I use that sometimes, but right now I'm just use this like that. So that part go. I'll probably put that down some. Oh, there you go. But yeah, that's how you do the outline and stuff. And you can go to stickers. Go to my collection. I got these ones saved. This right here, you can add these. Add those like that. But what I do, I ain't gonna add that yet. I'm gonna put the words first. I'm gonna put capitals. How to make a thumbnail. Put it like that. The letters I be using, like the font, I sometimes use that. And this one all the way back here, I think it's called this right here, Lucky Guy. I be using this. I put what's the name on that, like sometimes like 50. Y'all can put a shadow so it can be like that. Make this smaller. Put it like right here. No, like right here. Yeah. Put it right there. Yeah, like that. I don't know what to put. I'll put it right here. Like right there. Like right. Yeah, like that. And y'all could change the position of it, of the fonts and stuff. Put it like that. I'm gonna just put it like that. Yeah, I'm gonna put it like that. Y'all want a bigger? I can't really see it cause yeah, I'm gonna put it back to 50. What else do I want to add? The blend, y'all can change it. You go like that. I'm gonna just keep it regular. Y'all could do that. That's cool too. This right here, that's cool. I'm gonna just keep it like this. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like that. Y'all can add another font. Put that under there. Like that. Add another stroke. Put it like right there. Add that. I'm gonna change the color of this. I'm gonna put it red. Yeah, I'm gonna put it red. Like that. So yeah, you could do it like that. Add another sticker. Now you can do this. Put it like that, then do put it like that. Yeah, just like that. And go to where is it? Oh, this right here. And do it like that. Now it look like that. Yeah, you can put it like that. Don't want to turn it up. Probably like at 10. Yeah, just like that. And you can put another sticker. Hey, go to the cameras. Like, let me zoom out. Put this down. There it goes. So it's under the words. You don't want it over it. About like right here. That's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna add that. And what else do I need to add? Let me. That's cool. That's cool. So yeah, and you can add. Go to effects. You go to this to make it like pop out. You know how? Put on like. I'm gonna put it on 55. Yeah, I like it on 55. And that's it right there. That's how you make a thumbnail. This one, not really good. It's like got like space. You can like add emojis and stuff. Well, let me add an emoji. Yeah, let me add an emoji. I add emoji. Wanna add it. Go to stickers. Thinking emoji. Yeah. Yeah, like right there. Yeah, like that. There we go. Yeah, that's the final results. That's how you make a thumbnail on PicArt. That's the only thing you need is PicArt. And you good. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna say that.